going to just show you how to remove the door panel. This is a E-Class, is a 2010 E350. So I'm just going to show you guys how to remove the door panel. What we're going to do, we have two bolts just right here. This is panel here, we have to get it out. This panel right here, we're just under this handle thing. So here we have two Torx screws. One is just around this area, another one is just over here, and we have a plastic one which is just inside here. The plastic one which is inside here. So I'm gonna have to remove this panel. We'll have to get this panel out, and then from there I'm gonna get it all from here too, and then from there I might be able to proceed, guys. Okay, just follow with me, you guys. I'll show you what to do. Let me just begin. So the tools which we need, I have my Torx box here, which has like is an I-wing. It has a lot of screws, so I normally have it with me. I have my gun here, my electric gun, and then I have is a plier, is a plastic one, and then I have right there is pliers, which I'm gonna use to release the plastic thing, which is just over here. I'm going to show you guys how it's gonna work. Okay, stay with me. I'll show you what to do next. All right. So I think I'm gonna begin right now by just releasing this thing right here, just prying out. Okay, so get this plastic out of the way, and then guys, right there in the corner, that's one. I think there's a 20 Torx screw, and then right over here we have the second one. So let's get it out of the way. Let's get them out, and I think I'll use a 25. I think it's a 25. Let me check. This is the one. Yeah, it's a 25. No, it's a 27. It's a 27. It's a 27 Torx screwdriver. Okay, so here we are. Let's move those ones out of the way, and then see what we can do next. Okay, here we are. Okay, let's just drop down here, so I'll just get him later on. It's a good thing the guy who designed this thing had to put that there, so they'll be able to get them later from there. So once they're out, I'll get them from inside there. Okay, here we go, guys. Okay, this is the plastic thing, guys, I was showing you. So once you're here, we use a flat. You just put right inside there, and then you put it out. And this is just a lock. And then once this is out, it'll be good to go. Okay. Start it out. that's it. Hope you guys this video helps you out. Alright. Okay.